back to Nettie's Recipe Bowl. Today we're mixing up a warm, cozy favorite, chicken rice casserole. This recipe is so easy. You just toss everything into a bowl, mix it up, pour it in your 13x9 greased casserole dish, and bake it for 30 minutes. It's creamy, cheesy, loaded with tender chicken and broccoli, and topped with my favorite crispy crunch. You're gonna love how easy this is. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna add to our bowl is 2 cups of shredded chicken. And you can use rotisserie chicken if you don't have any leftover chicken or you don't feel like cooking chicken for this recipe. We're gonna add 2 cups of chopped broccoli, and I steamed this for a couple minutes just to leave a little crunch to it. Next, we're gonna add in a 1.5 cups of cooked white rice, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, a 1/2 cup of milk, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Salt, pepper, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're just going to mix this all together. Oh, it smells so good already. Let's dump this into our 13x9 casserole. It out evenly. Put with the other 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Let's top with this. Now we'll top this with some cornflake crumbs, and you can use crushed Ritz, breadcrumbs, we're going to bake this in the oven 30 minutes at 350 degrees. It's hot and bubbly. Comfort food right there. Let's take a bite. That is cheesy, creamy comfort food right there. See you next time on Nettie's Recipe Bowl. Bye.